operators. Okay, operators in C. Operators in C. So how many operators are there? You might be knowing that there are plus operator, minus operator, then there is multiplication, then there is division, then there is this operator. Okay. And then it is a modulus operator, then there is incremental operator, then there is decremental operator. Okay, so I'll tell you one by one what these are. Okay, so these operators works on variables. Okay, so for example, let's take there are two variables, int x and int y. Okay, so if you want to add it, you just need another variable to save the values in. Okay, so now if you want to add them, how you can do that? Just z, you want to use this one. Okay, so just x plus y. This is a operator, we call it operator. You might be knowing we are adding this to while calling this operator, so this is how it is. Okay, we call it operator, and this doesn't mean z is equal to x plus y. Okay, it is just whatever is the value of x plus y will be saved in z. Okay, this is not a algebraic equation. Okay, this is not an algebraic equation, not an algebraic equation. This is itself is an operator, and we call it assignment operator or something, right, where these values will get assigned to this one. Okay, so next example, now we want to use minus, so x minus y. Okay, so suppose there is a value of 5 here and there is a value of 3, then it will get minused and the value will get saved here. Okay, so similarly we can just do this one, or we can do x divisible by y. Okay, so maybe this gives a fraction value. Okay, suppose x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2, and x divisible by y will give you how much? It will give 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. so this is a fractional value. Okay, and this can't be saved in something which is integer. So what will we do in that case? Nothing, only this part will be saved. So z value will be 2 and this will get omitted. So if it was instead of it was code, then we could have saved 2.5, but now we can't. Okay, so what is this? This is a special operator you might not be knowing. This is called modulus operator. Modulus, this percentage sign known as modulus operator. So what is the work of this modulus operator? It gives you remainder, right? 5 module y. So what will happen? 5 module 2. Okay, so what is the remainder? So okay, so do one thing, divide 5 by 2. Okay, so you know, if you divide it 4 till 4 you can divide, but you can't divide 1. Okay, let me show you like this. 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder. Now you can't divide 1. Okay, further, so 1 will be the value, 1 will get assigned to it. Okay, now what is this thing? What is these two things? You might have never seen this thing, because in algebra we don't use this two. So what is this? These are incremental operators. Okay, suppose int x is something, int x is 5, and now we want to increment 5. How will you do it? Just x plus plus. It is a unary operator. Okay, these are binary operators. Because why this is a binary operator? Because these needs two variables to work on. Okay, you can't just write x plus and you think it will give you some output. No, it's a wrong. This is wrong. This means nothing. We want something here. Okay, so these needs these four, these five are unary operators and they need two variables, whereas these are binary operators, sorry, and these are unary operators. Okay, so as these are unary operator, so unary means one, so there is just one operator to work on, right? So if this is plus plus, then that means the value of x will get incremented. Okay, and then if we will print it, printf %t and then write z here, and you know what we will get? You will get 6 instead of 5. Or if you had minus minus, then you would have get, if it is 5 then it will become 4. Now it is 6, so it will become 5 again, because we are incrementing once and then we are decrementing. So these operators we will be using in for loop, right? For loop and while loop, because we want to increment the values and we want to run the same line again and again in case of loops, right? We will talk later. So these are all about operators in C. There are many other operators as well, but these are the main operators which we will be using. Okay, so thank you for this, and we will be talking about other things in the later video. Thank you.